I'm Elliot Ferris, Head of Analytics and Operations at Apploi. We are a recruiting platform for businesses hiring in high volume. And so since the beginning of this year, we've doubled our total number of employees, and on top of that, I've been working fully remote for about the past 6 months. And Assembly has been a huge part of our growth in fostering connections across teams and levels. And really what impressed me the most about Assembly is how engaged all of our employees are in giving each other recognition.